year gives us a perfect opportunity to start afresh and to think about our goals and ambitions and to think about new possibilities and the future, and I want to make use of this opportunity to the fullest. So in this video, I am sharing with you 5 things that I want to incorporate in my daily life in 2017. So thing number 1 that I want to do before the start of the new year is to clean up. I did a video before Diwali about why Diwali cleaning is done and why it is important, and the same thing stands true for the new year. And whenever we want to make a fresh start and change things in our life, the first and the most easiest thing to do is to clean up our environment, because our environment and things that surround us affect our mind, our thought process and our heart. So if you're surrounded with clutter and a lot of chaos and confusion around yourself, then the mind tends to be in chaos and confused all the time. So clear out your desk, make it minimal, make it clean, clear out your wardrobe, clear out your bag, clear out your life, clear out the clutter from your heart and from your mind, and start afresh. Thing number 2 that I want to do is to set my goals and create a vision board. And I have known about this entire process and the importance of setting your goals and setting your intentions for years now, but I have never taken it seriously enough, or maybe I have always been just too lazy to actually sit down and put pen to paper and write down my goals. But this year I intend to change that. So why that is important and what is the whole process of writing down your goals and setting your goals and goal intentions, I have made an entire detailed video on that entire process, and I will have it up very soon. As soon as it is up, the link will be somewhere here or in the description box. Make sure you see that video. Thing number 3 that I want to do is incorporate a little bit of yoga in my fitness regime. Now we all know about the benefits of yoga. I know them too. My in-laws do yoga every day early in the morning, but somehow I have never warmed up to it and I have never incorporated it in my life. One of my viewers, Hina, she recommended that I read this book by Payal Gidwani Tiwari, and it's XL to XS. She's a yoga expert who trains Kareena Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, Malaika Arora, Sri Devi and the likes. I am trying to incorporate a small yoga routine which she recommends for good skin and good hair, because I think I need that. That yoga routine will be up on the channel sometime soon, and that will be also linked in the description box or somewhere around. So make sure you see that yoga routine if you are interested in being an ageless diva like Sri Devi. Coming to the 4th thing. Now the 4th thing is that I want to stay a lot more organized and get more organized in my life, and especially when it comes to work. And I have seen that whenever I have planned my day 1 day in advance before I go to bed, I end up achieving and accomplishing a lot more than when I go into the day and just go with the flow. I end up, feeling useless at night, having done nothing and having achieved nothing. So I had the same goal last year, which is 2015 going into 2016, and I got myself a beautiful, pretty planner. This was my planner for 2015. Very expensive, very beautiful, very nice, and it just had so much stuff in it that I didn't know where to begin. So every day you plan your day time wise, morning, noon, evening, and then there are spaces for notes, and then you have your monthly planner. You can see that it's totally empty as well. Clearly I failed at this goal last year, but I realized that this was just too complex a system for me, and I learned from my mistakes, and this year I have decided to keep it absolutely simple. So this year I just have a thin little simple monthly planner which I got from a local stationery store. So this has the entire month at a glance, and this makes it easier because I know what all I want to achieve during the month and how I can break it down. Another thing that I have is this diary. So you can see my theme is all black this year, and this is a simple date diary. There are dates and there's a page for every date. Now in this I want to get a little more detailed. Also, one thing that I want to start doing is every day before the end of the day, I would like to look for 3 or 5 little things that I want to be grateful for. Thing number 5 is very vain and appearance based, and I would really want that in 2017 I put a little more thought into putting myself together, you know, learn the art of makeup a little better, style my hair a little better, do something with my hair, have my nails manicured and pedicured all the time, take care of how I dress, just take 2 minutes extra to layer something on, even if it's a matching necklace or some earrings or something like that. And the inspiration behind it is my mother-in-law, because she's always well turned out, and she always says that enjoy what you have and wear things that make you happy, because 20-30 years down the line you might not be able to wear those things and then you'll look back and regret. Those are the 5 things that I would like to incorporate in my life in 2017, and I'm starting those things now. So what are some of the things that you want to incorporate in your life in 2017? Write in the comment below. Let me know what your goals and intent is for 2017. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.